My name is Becca, and this is my best pal, SeaWorld. SeaWorld and I are so excited to meet our new director. I wonder if he's up there.
Yes, I'm up here, and I see that you and Seymour are on time and in your places. I like it.
Yes, we are, sir, and can I just say we are so excited to be working with somebody with such an impressive...
Yes, that's great, wonderful, amazing. But where is your co-worker, Clyde?
Clyde. Oh, you know what? Clyde is with Megan. And Megan's always live streaming.
Clyde?
Clyde!
That set is cool. Wait until you see the front. Now remember, we listen, we do not judge. Alright, now.
Megan!
Yes?
Hi, you're late.
For what? Oh, rehearsal. Sorry about that, guys. We did not want to leave our fans hanging. We had to get one more live stream in. Click like and subscribe.
Hashtag, you're still late.
Sorry about that. We were just trying to have a little bit of fun. Why didn't you tell me he was up there?
All right, let's get started. Do you know why we're all here?
Oh, I do. We're here to celebrate 60 years of world-class education. World-class conservation. And
World-class fun!
Okay, let's get started with scene 1, sea lions. What are they?
Ooh.
Who would like to take this?
Oh,
This section is filled with information about sea lion adaptations. Facts, and more facts.
I didn't study, did you? When are you going to take this?
Why, of course. Today, we would like to talk about the California sea lions. Now, there are many differences between the sea lions and the seals. We will talk about some of those now. The first difference is the way that they move. California sea lions can rotate those back hip bones and walk on all four flippers. Good job, pal! Perfect! Seals move a little bit different. They really can't move those back hip bones, so they kind of undulate across the floor. Do you want to show them your fun seal impression? Oh, that was perfect, pal. California sea lions are much larger than those harbor seals. Let's see how tall you are, pal. Come on over here. We're doing this one. How tall are you? Well, you are just perfect. Okay. California sea lions do make a variety of vocalizations. Did you know they get their name from their very loud roar? They do have very powerful pectoral flippers. They use those to evade predators like killer whales and sharks. Great job, Seymour! Perfectly demonstrated.
Well, I personally would call that too much sciencey sea lion stuff.
Sciencey is not a word.
Well, I think it should be because it's super fun. Hashtag sciencey.
Alright, Megan, but this stuff is important to share with all of our guests. Isn't that right, Mr. Director, sir?
Yes, it is. Nicely done, Seymour. Clyde, do you think you two can handle the next section? Sea lions, where are they found?
Absolutely. Sea lions, where are they found? Where are they found? Okay. Hold on, my best buddy Clyde, he has something that he wants to share with everybody. What is it? That's my head. Or my ear. Or my cheek. All right, we'll work on that tomorrow. Listen, we are here at SeaWorld, so I bet we work together, we can find some sea lions right around here. Why don't you copy my each and every move and stay super close behind? Nothing out here. Why don't we look one more spot over here? Alright, nothing yet. I know we need to do. We need a color or ground, alright? So, I want you to wait there. I'm gonna look over this way. I'll tell you if I see anything, then I'll give you a call. No one take a picture of that.
Megan, what is happening out here?
We were looking for some sea lions. Unfortunately, we couldn't find any.
Megan, you are not taking this seriously. She should be taking this seriously.
Well, it was a little unconventional, but fun.
Yeah, hashtag fun.
You each clearly have your own style, but now I need you to work together to demonstrate the strength and agility of the California sea lion. Do you think you can do that? Together?
Yeah.
With Megan? No way. But Seymour and I can, so we will go first. As I was saying, California sea lions have those very powerful pectoral flippers. They use those to launch themselves in and out of the water to get a better view of their surroundings. They can even use those powerful pectoral flippers. They move them up and down just like the wings of a bird, and they swim through the water at speeds of up to 13 miles per hour. Great job, Seymour! Perfectly demonstrating the strength and agility of the California sea lion. Megan, it's your turn.
Woo! Man, I really wish that we had live streamed that. You know what though? We have our own style, so we're gonna, show that off. Come on over this way. Perfect. All right. I want you to show everybody just how you swim. That's not what I meant. All right. All right. You can redeem yourself. Don't worry about it. Why don't you show everybody how you can move across the pool? Well, maybe I could just go ahead and call that freestyle. Let's hear the reply.
Wow, that segment actually worked.
What?
But I'm not 100% sure why. I think we need a break so I can figure it out. Take 5, everyone. I could use a soda.
Man, oh man, I sure am parched. Oh, I can help myself to a refreshment. Oh, Sorry about that. This rehearsal is going way better.
Megan, are you live streaming again?
Keep an eye on that.
All right, I think we may have found a way for you two to work together. But this next scene will be the real test. It's the conservation scene. Seymour, you're up first. Make an impact.
Oh, good. This is my favorite scene. Children really are our future, and conservation requires that we inspire the next generation to care about our world's oceans and the animals we share them with. for this part, I do need the help of a volunteer from the next generation. Let's see, there are so many options. SeaWorld, who are you going to choose? Yeah, I saw your hand first. Come on down. Yep, come on down. Hi, what's your name? Eliana, where are you from? All the way from New York. That's great, Eliana. All right, this is my best pal, Seymour. Seymour eats 15 pounds of food every single day. Do you want to help me feed him? All right, stand right here for me. Take this fish and toss it into the water and he'll catch it. That was a very good throw. Good job, Eliana. All right, we're going to come on over here. Now, we can communicate with sea lions like Clyde and Seymour in a variety of ways. One of those is with our body language. You want to help me ask him for behavior? You're going to stand right here for me. On the count of 3, we're going to squat down and we're going to see what he does. Ready? 1, 2, 3, squat down. Look, he followed you! That was pretty fun, huh? For being such a great volunteer, we are going to get you a picture with him. Sound fun? Alright, Eliana, let's go over by where your adults are. So we're just going to go like this. All the way over there. Look, he's following you. Alright, where's your camera? Oh, all the way over here. We need to keep going. Good job, Seymour. Alright, Eliana, you are going to kneel down over there next to him. Look at your camera. On the count of 3, we're all going to say cheese. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese! Great job, Eliana! Let's give a big round of applause to our future conservationists. And you were great, Seymour. All right, Megan, Clyde, it's your turn.
All right, Clyde. For our inspirational, motivational, conservational moment, we're gonna need somebody super tall. I need somebody smart, somebody with a great sense of passion. Never mind, sure, no dig. Come on down here. Hi there, what's your name? Jason, nice to meet you, Jason. Where are you from? Jason is all the way from Michigan! Wow, Jason, welcome to the United States. That is incredible. All right, listen. Conservation means working together to ensure the survival of animals like Clyde and Seymour by respecting and protecting their wild spaces. So, I'm going to have you work together with Clyde right now. Ready? We're going to stand right here. All right, now, here's what we're going to do. We are going to ask Clyde up here. We are going to stand on one foot. We're going to see what he does. All right? Ready? Stand on one foot. Go. All right, let's see. He's not doing anything. Do you know why he's not doing anything? This is not actually a cue for Clyde. I just wanted to see if you would do it. All right, listen. You saw our future conservationist toss some more fish in the pond, okay? You guys try? All right, open wide. I'm just messing around. Hold on to this. Toss it up nice and high. Perfect. Very good. All right, now, I'm going to have my buddy Clyde stay right there. We want to get a photo with you. How does that sound? Do you have anything expensive in your pockets that could be worth my nice cold salt water? Why don't you hand that to your group right there? All right, Jason, you're going to come stand right over here. And can you actually squat down in front of that glass? Yeah! There you go. Perfect. Very nice. All right, now, everybody on the count of 3, you guys are going to show the sea lines. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3, sea lines!
Megan, did you hear yourself? You just said pectoral flippers. You were sharing sciencey stuff.
Wait a minute, you said sciencey wasn't a word.
Oh. Well, maybe it should be because it's fun.
Finally, you have discovered what has made SeaWorld so special for the last 60 years.
We have?
Yes, you shared interesting facts about sea lions, and you had fun doing it.
Yes, and we talked about protecting our coastlines for future generations.
Yeah, we were able to show people like Jason why it's so important to form special relationships with all the animals in our care.
But there is one very important thing we haven't done.
What's that?
The finale. Every sea lion presentation ends with a big, splashy finale.